guys, it's Maddie and Gracie, and what time is it? It's like 4 or something, and we're getting ready for the Atlanta Night Festival. We were at practice earlier, and it was low-key fun. We were practicing for the festival and doing our individual practices, and it was also so hot. And like, I didn't get home until like just now because I was out shopping after practice. Okay guys, we're rushing to get ready because it's 4:32 and we're gonna be late, and I'm doing my hair and I still have to do my makeup, and Gracie is doing her makeup right now. And yeah. Oh guys, is it looking slick back? Is it giving Ariana Grande yet? Hey guys, welcome back to the vlog. This is us.
This is us before we get there.
This is us before our performance.
17 minutes late.
And TJ's right there.
So it's just me, TJ, and Kylie going together. Well, we thought Elizabeth and Lily were gonna come with us, but they hate us, so they don't want to come with us. Yes. Anyways, we'll see you there. It's an hour-long drive.
Yeah, because it's traffic too.
Oh.
It's like near Atlanta, bro.
Oh, okay.
Far.
Understandable.
I know. We're not gonna get there till like 5 or 6.
Anyways, we'll see you later. Bow. Hey guys, I'm done with my makeup, and so is Gracie, but she's asleep. No, she's not asleep. And then we're like 30 minutes away, and we're finally in the traffic. Y'all guys want to see? Okay, yeah, here's the traffic. Wait, yeah, there's the traffic. We'll make it on time. Our ETA is 5:50. Is that 5? 5:57. We're just like that. 30 minutes early. Period. We're now 4 minutes away. We're out of traffic, because period. And we're gonna pull up soon. This is Gracie over here. Gracie. Yeah. Block this out. Gracie. Yeah. Okay. Hey Nikki, by the way, you should add this in. Here's an advertisement for Kingston. He's looking for some huzz. Yeah, okay. So if y'all want him, how tall is he? He's like 5'7". Wears size 9 in shoes, and apparently he's 5'8". He's an upcoming freshman, okay? How old is he? He's 14. Yep. So if y'all want him, you should leave it down in the comment section below. I fear that we're having trouble finding parking, but it's a good thing we're early. Now we're walking there, and Emily, my sister, she gave me a bunch of like blocks to try to like how to turn it into a cube, and I did it. I'm getting close. I actually built the cube, and we made it.
Yeah.
I did it within the time of walking. And look, here we go. This is just the beginning. I don't know, it looks kind of small. Wait, no. I don't even know. It's bigger than any of the other places I've been to. We found a Hmong stand. Anyways, still walking. I'm kind of bored, and it's too crowded, and I don't know. Everyone's just walking super slow, but I mean, the further we go in, but anyways,
You want to try some?
yeah. Oh, it looks way bigger. Those Hmong guys right there that my dad talked to, they just started speaking to me in Hmong, and I didn't know what to say.
Hey guys. It is 6:31. We're about to go up around like 7. It's too damn hot for this. We are never coming back outside.
Literally. It's like
A winter arc.
winter arc. Like, y'all don't even understand how hot it is. Like,
I'm sweating, and that means I can't pee.
and her needs to use the bathroom. But she doesn't
gotta
use the porta
pee,
potty.
but I need somebody to hold my skirt up. We have to be 2 person in a porta potty, and everybody's gonna look at us weird.
Yep.
And what? There's
No
a lot of
huzz.
food places. There's a lot of Hmong people here too.
Yeah.
Actually, I feel like I got scammed with food. Too expensive.
It's expensive. I haven't bought nothing.
Not worth Most of it was mid. Other than this lemonade. This lemonade was pretty good.
There's no huzz.
It looks like we have mountains behind us though.
I know.
That's just. Hey guys,
Just the clouds.
We're in the boonies.
So yeah,
We're in the forest right now, walking up and hiking.
we're performing on the mountain right now.
Yeah.
So
Let me tell you what happened, right? I was eating my pork belly and I was eating my pad thai, and we were sitting on the bench, and then I had to put my pork belly somewhere, right? So I was gonna put in the bag that I got it. Tell me why I look in the bag and Kylie's egg roll trash is in my bag, and I look at her, I'm like, bruh. She goes, I said it was trash. I said, girl, how am I gonna carry my food? I was like, and then we walk out. Trash can was like 5 steps away from us.
That's so funny.
The thing was that we didn't see it because we turned back around.
We should have saw it though. We were walking forward.
We're going to check in now. We're going to check in. Oh, there's my family. But it's so hot. And there's no wind like over here where we're going. So do we gotta go inside because we're checking in, or?
Right, like, I need some air conditioning.
Yep. It feels so good in here, guys. Oh my gosh. I'm relieved. And now Harmony can use the bathroom.
Exactly.
Because I'm not gonna go. Harmony, look at her. You shouldn't see it. Okay, guys, we're going to the bathroom.
It's currently 6:40 and Jennifer texted us to meet at the station 6:50. So we're just hanging around the shade because it's really hot. But I'm talked to Boon again. If y'all know Boon Vong, very good photographer. Yeah, I met him again and we took some photos, and he went to the VIP section to give me some fruits. I feel so special, guys. The VIP. Okay, but yeah, here's Graceland, and then I'm sitting like here, and the stage is like right there, and yeah, I guess we'll be there around 7:50. We're performing at 7:10, so I got my fruits from Boon. It's yum. Yeah.
We're gonna have a script.
No, I wanted to like, guys, I want to shout out Boon Vong. He's a very amazing photographer, and y'all should check out his website. I'll tell Nikki to link it below. He's really good.
Thank you.
Bruh. Look who just got here, guys. We can see them, but they can't see us.
Hey guys, we found Elizabeth and Lily. Yeah, we found them. Oh my gosh, my hair's so gross. Yeah, so we just finished performing.
I think so.
We just finished performing, and it's like,
It's stormy.
yeah, it's storming. It's like raining. In the middle of a performance, it started
And they
raining.
said they're gonna keep it going because they think it's gonna pass over.
Yeah,
it's all passing.
it's okay. We're still 8.
Hey guys.
Hey guys.
This is us after performing.
We just finished.
It rained really.
Let me tell you what happened. Me and Julian, we were in the shade and we thought that we could handle the heat on our feet. We cannot. So we took off our shoes and everybody else followed us, and then we went to go dance in the sun.
We sabotaged everybody, telling them to take their shoes off because
Well, we didn't tell them. They took their shoes
yeah,
off.
they just followed us, right?
So we all suffered. But at least we got sunburns. At least we got burnt together.
Right.
Yeah. Also, it's raining so bad.
It's supposed to show them.
It started raining towards the end of our freaking dance, and I was like,
At the end of like Nyob, it started raining so hard.
No, because before it even started raining, me and Jordan were like, please let it rain so fast. It rained after, like towards the end.
and now it's pouring rain.
Yeah, it rained after, so we have scar burns and drenched.
Look at the rain, guys. Like, that's so crazy.
You can't really see
You
that.
never see it. Just know it's cold.
Everyone's dressed in the rain. Like, look at that dude wearing a poncho.
Where? Right there. How do y'all feel about how do you guys feel about how we performed? Like, how do y'all feel?
It was
about
bad. I saw everybody messing up. Also,
Whose necklace fell off?
it was Evelyn's. No, but the thing is, I was dancing behind Evelyn and I saw unhook itself. I knew it was gonna come off. But it was so bad.
That's what I was scared of because I didn't have my.
The area was really cramped. Like, we were all squished together.
We were literally sideways.
I know. I was worried we were gonna hit each other because when I looked at the bathroom, they were all next to each other.
I know, I was like, oh my god.
And then the 3 in front of us, like, they were like all the way on that side. I was like, guys,
No, I know,
y'all,
we're
we need to
so
scoot
high.
down.
And I was trying to place myself, but there were potholes everywhere while I was trying to dance, and I didn't want to break my ankle.
Yeah, no, it was just really hot. Like, my feet were actually.
It was just.
And I was like, I don't know if I can sit. I can
And the
stand.
shade came in, and we're like, oh, we got this. We're like, we got this. It should be fine if we're not dancing in the spot.
The rain did not help.
Yeah, but for Mina's dance, we ended up dancing in the spot the whole time, and that's why we got most of our burns.
I know.
And sitting on the floor,
EOB, I was okay.
Oh my gosh,
but
we're like-
Mila's was
when we sat
horrible.
on the floor, it was the worst.
No, girl.
was like, I was trying to sit on my toes.
They count, yes,
I
bro.
was trying to sit on my toes so it'd be better.
Oh, me too.
Oh my god.
It still hurts standing right now, bro.
I know.
It hurts like right here.
Yeah, I know. It hurts like I'm trying to move it to my toes and my toes are
Yeah.
Oh my god. Terrible experience. Never do it again.
Hmong Day, we got that. Well, she's not gonna be here for
I'm
Hmong
not gonna
Day.
be there, but have fun on Hmong Day. Hmong Day is better. Hopefully their feet will be healed by then. All I know
Hopefully
is
we're inside.
after this, all our feet are gonna start peeling. That's what happens when you get burns. Your feet start peeling. I need to put some toothpaste on my feet when I get home.
Maddie's vlogging too already. How do you feel about our performance?
It was
today?
so good. I saw a rainbow in the middle of it. Did y'all see it?
Oh,
No. There was a rainbow.
I didn't see no rainbow. I was too busy worrying about
Yeah,
my feet.
My feet hurt.
Wait, where Lily and Elizabeth go?
I don't know.
How do you feel about it, Gracie?
I think it was good, but like kind of got messy because of that.
Yeah.
Hey, call me Peppa Pig the way I'm about to be in this rain.
Yeah, look at the way she's walking, bro. Hold on. She's literally limping.
Back to the vlog.
My feet burn so bad.
I just need the mirror. This is my hair after the performance. Here's Maya, guys. Here, Maya, hold it. We're about to head out, guys. Oh, hello. I don't know where everybody else is. I can only find these people, but I think everybody else is like somewhere. Do you want to say hi to the vlog?
No.
I'm scared. I'm scared.
Hey. Gracie said hey to the vlog.
Yeah, but for Mila's dance, we ended up dancing in the spot the whole time.
Yeah, guys. 2 vlogs in one, guys. Right now, guys, we're just walking around. We're waiting for our mom. Oh my gosh. Look at the dog. Come on. That dog is so cute. Oh my gosh. That dog is cuter than yours. Ah, look at his big eyes. Dude, we had 2 dances. We had Mila's dance and ER Bay. And it was absolutely horrible. Because we were dancing in the heat and our feet were on the ground. We already got them wet. Everybody else is vlogging. Everybody's feet is burning. We're all tired. We're all trying to go home. But it's raining.
Call me Peppa Pig the way I'm about to be.
We took feet pictures, guys, but it's okay. But that's the end of the vlog. Bye, guys. Say bye.
ASMR. Did y'all hear the ASMR? So we went inside the city hall and we took some photos. It's literally like raining super hard, like cats and dogs outside. And then let the performers in first, and we got free snacks. And then we took some photos, and then everyone else came in, and like all the vendors are like shut down now, and everyone's trying to like wait the rain out because it's raining super hard. Hey, Gracie, say hey to the vlog. That was Kaylee and Maya's vlog back there. So
Like your eyes are just
and we're waiting on my dad now. I don't know where he went. He done made some new friends, so he disappeared. But yeah, hopefully we can make it out alive. I'll update you guys. See this rain? Oh, we're cooked. We're cooked. Hey guys, update. We are walking in the rain and I'm soaked. And my eyeliner is running and it's burning my eyes and it's getting all over my face. Like I cried. Look, my long outfit is ruined. And do you see this? She's connecting with the earth right now. We should.
This is us in the rain. We wanted to walk around and look, but we're covering the camera, so but you can go with us.
It actually feels kind of good.
Yeah, we're looking YOLOing this shit. I think it's getting worse. Jennifer left us with the umbrella.
Yeah, they are.
Okay, anyways, we'll tune back in later. Bye.
Bye, guys.
Okay, transition guys. This is Nina, me, and Lily, and we're all going to eat pho. The performance was really good. It started raining really hard, and it just stopped. But during the performance, we had no break. It was just like one dance, and then transition to the second dance. If you guys want to see those dance, it will be linked right here.
click on it right now.
Right here. Click up or down. This one is the, what is this one? The Iape song. And this one is the Vita song. Good editing, Nikki. We will see you guys when we're eating pho. And we're going to pass it on to
Next person.
the next person.
Hey guys,
We are rain survivors.
We're rain survivors.
Survivors for real. Oh my god, the rainwater is mixing with my sweat and burning my eyes.
Yeah, she just wiped her. I wiped her.
So guys, this is the aftermath. And my eyelashes are coming off, as you can tell. And my eyeliner is everywhere. My eyeballs burn, like my eyeliner is all over my eyeballs. I don't know how we survived. Good luck to my eyelashes. You know what? At least the base is still good. The base is still good, but my eyelashes are gone. I mean, at least the base stayed, so that's all that matters.
Hey guys, we're still at the night market. Why you both vlogging? You stop vlogging, you ain't got no storage.
Oh yeah, you ain't got no.
Anyways, we're still here. Julia left us, sadly. She had to go home.
Our feet hurt.
But once it stopped raining, we started shopping. We bought so much damn stuff. We bought so many desserts and mukbang video coming soon.
Right. The nightlife is so, it's actually really
Oh my
nice.
god, yeah.
Oh, that looks so nice.
Wait.
Alright.
You take a photo of it?
Yeah, yeah.
But you have to blur it out.
Oh, I was going to steal the middle finger.
Oh my god.
Yes, we're recording while we took photos.
Oh my god. Okay, bye guys.
Bye guys.
Hey guys. Synchronization is crazy. So this is a mukbang video. Where did Ntxhais go? We got some sushi. Some
YouTube. It's okay.
yeah.
I'm gonna try my chocolate cake.
She gonna try her chocolate cake. You have to open it.
Oh yeah.
This bag is so cute though. It reminds me of I don't know, I'm scared I'm gonna open this because it might freaking get trust me. No, me too. Oh shit. I'm scared. Oh, hey guys, we got chocolate cake. Oh, what the freak? You're so close that thing. I don't know why she listens to that music shit. Bus.
Can you see yourselves?
I do.
Yes.
But I bet when we watch this back, it's gonna be so dark.
Oh, here. I got you.
That's okay. We got. It's okay. It was good.
Untie it.
Enjoy the lights here.
TJ, take a photo. Can you take a photo? Of the downtown area so we can post it.
This is so. It's so
I would do it, but my
soft,
back
guys.
camera's broken.
Oh my gosh.
No, do the one forward. The one in front of us. The one in front of us.
Come on.
That one, the big one.
That one's cute, yeah.
Okay, here you go.
Okay, let me have a bite.
It's good. It's very soft.
It's very light.
Yeah.
Like airy. It's kind of like the Korean
Yeah.
one. It's mousse.
But I like it like that though.
Right there, TJ. Right there. There's your photo right there. Wheels up.
Okay, why here, let me see.
You should have known.
I'm good.
Oh. You want the olive? That ginger is gingering. Bubble tea.
Honey, you want a picture of McDonald's?
Yeah, send to Lily Elizabeth. Oh, it's cute. Send it to me. Send all
Wait,
those
what's the
photos
red
to me.
sauce one? The red sauce is
One is sriracha. I think I don't want to try it.
Okay, guys.
Oh wait, we should have the AC and just put the windows up. But it's gonna hurt her ears.
It makes this echo noise and it vibrates.
It's not bad.
It's kind of salty.
Something was put in here and it kind of made it off.
You guys want to try my sushi?
Yes.
Sure, I'll take one.
Is it hot? Oh, okay.
Or menaces.
It's kind of salty, I know.
Good. Good. Oh, ginger.
It's not bad.
Yeah, it's not bad, but
But I think it could be better.
Yeah, it could be better.
I rate it a 7. Actually, you don't like it? Yeah, a 7. What? It's not bad, but it's like not.
I want
like,
to try my mochi.
Not like the greatest. Yeah.
You should vlog it.
Here.
Me? Yeah.
Yeah, vlog it. Here, look. You can vlog it. I'll send your live.
10-minute oil change.
Try it.
Well, guys, we're gonna continue eating my chocolate cake because this is really
Shine your
Hold
light
on.
for you.
We're going to try my mochi.
Okay, let me get it for you. Wait, which one do you want?
I bought mango and I bought strawberry.
Okay, this is mango.
Oh, I forgot you had it. Oh, did you?
Guys.
Wait. Mango. Cute.
And then strawberry.
And then strawberry. Okay, so this. What the fuck happened to my mochi?
What'd you do?
No, my mochi's all torn up. It looked like I got beat up. Damn.
Big butt. They put a lot of love in that.
Oh my god. I'm so emo-ness.
It's really good.
Oh,
Let me
I
see.
feel it.
Let me see.
Uh-huh.
Wait, is it?
Did it come in the thingy?
Kind of like. Oh my god. Oh my god. It's like melted.
Yeah.
Okay.
We're going home. I don't like it.
We're not eating.
I saw 4 in my bag.
And the rest of it.
It's like strawberry. It's kind of like a strawberry whipped cream kind of thing. It's really fluffy.
Oh, it turned off again.
What would you rate the mochi?
A 5.
Really? I thought it was so good.
I don't know. The mochi's really dry, but the strawberry inside was really nice. But like, I don't like the mochi. It felt like too dry.
It's kind of melted though.
Yeah, because it's hot outside.
That was so bust though.
I
Like,
feel like it would taste better if it was cold.
yeah, my thing was supposed to make it cold, but it didn't make it cold.
Yeah.
Which I'm surprised because this thing is supposed to make it cold.
It's okay.
Yeah.
I'm not gonna lie, I think I'm so tired tonight.
Really?
Dude, dancing. And the practice, we're gonna be so tired tonight. Like later.
6-hour shift.
I don't know if we'll even make it.
Right.
JJ, if you're watching this, we didn't make it.
JJ, if you're watching this, you know why. You see us? We're wearing Hmong clothes.
Should've came. It was so litty.
Exactly, bro.
This is for you, JJ. If you're not JJ, don't mind this.
Right.
Everybody gonna be watching this like,
Who's JJ?
who's JJ? And they'll be like, why are you talking to JJ? Okay, next up is mango.
Wait, you bought strawberry and mango?
Yes, I did.
Dang, you look rough back there.
Is it good? There's one mango in here and I didn't get it. I'm scared. Get it.
Off the bridge is a guardrail. Worst thing that happened. Hey guys.
Oh my god. Dude, I got a whole bowl of rice. The rice wrapping and like whipped cream, but no mango. The mango's a scam. Strawberry's better.
Hey, I want Nikki's PR job. That sounds like fun.
Yeah. Hey, what are you doing with my thing? That's mine.
You see Kylie in the back? You see Kylie in the
What I
back?
bought?
She's like, pup.
I also got this cake. I don't know if
It's so good.
Want some water?
Wait, Daddy drove it. I want to.
Isn't it dry?
Daddy would look interesting.
It's okay. It's not dry, but like,
I'm tripping for a minute.
it's so hard to swallow.
You want some water?
And they had a walkway. One side of it, the whole entire bridge had the whole entire sidewalk. Daddy.
Okay.
That me and Ivan could walk.
I wish I had some water
Fall
again.
down.
You have to show them your cake.
Want water?
Yeah.
We're almost there. We're almost there.
Are we on the hill? No. Okay, good, because I don't want to fall back and hurt myself.
Okay, that's good.